Cradley Heath railway station was opened in 1863 by the Stourbridge Railway on their line from Stourbridge Junction to Old Hill. This was later taken over by the Great Western Railway, who incorporated it into their line to Birmingham. Historically, the station was known as Cradley and later Cradley Heath and Cradley. The station present-day buildings date from the mid-1980s, when the station was rebuilt entirely on the west side of the level crossing. Previously, there had been a staggered platform arrangement on either side of the level crossing. So we'll get started here at Cradley Heath with 172-336 and 172-345. Departing 10 minutes late with the 0933 West Midlands Railway service from Kidderminster to Stratford-upon-Avon via Dorwich. Departing the opposite direction is 172-334, working the 0945 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford-upon-Avon to Kidderminster. Next up for departure is 172-332 and 172-343, working the 0945 West Midlands Railway service from Worcester Shrub Hill to Whitlock's End. Next arrival into the station is 172-342 and 172-340, working the 0958 West Midlands Railway service from Stratford-upon-Avon to Worcester Forgate Street. Running 48 minutes late is 43-299 and 43-290, working 1Q15 from Derby RTC to Swansea. Apologies for the language from this drunk smackhead as 172-214 and 172-216 departs, with the 10:03 West Midlands Railway service from Kidderminster to Stratford-upon-Avon via Whitlock's End. Next to pass through the station is the Railhead Treatment Train DR98967 and DR98917, working 3 Sierra 02 from Kings Norton to Kings Norton. Next to crawl through the station is 172219 and 172335, working the 1016 West Midlands Railways service of Dorwich to Kidderminster. Passing fast through the station is 172314 and 172218, working 2 Charlie 20 from Worcester Forgate Street to Dorwich. Next into the station is 172005 and 172004, working the 1026 West Midlands Railway service of Whitlock's End to Worcester Forgate Street. And here comes our train in the form of 172334, working the 1033 West Midlands Railway service from Kidderminster to Stratford-upon-Avon via Dorwich. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far, and we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.